The C notches on the frame rails of my F100 is done. I'm busy going through the chassis, cleaning it up with a wire brush, inspecting everything. And then I found this here. Let me zoom in and I'll show you the problem. So although the rubber bush in here is worn, that's not the main problem. You can see this is pretty worn. But here is the main problem. The holes in this bracket is terribly worn. So the only solution I can think of is to actually take this off so I can drill this properly, maybe weld in some bushes and do a proper fix here. What was the story about the worms in the can? This bracket is riveted onto the frame rail. So the only way for me to get it off so I can fix this mess is to cut the rivets and knock them out. The hole in the bracket is countersunk, so even after grinding this riveted flush, I still have to drill it in order to get it out. Okay, once it's drilled, let's give it a whack with this drift and see if it's going to move. I can feel it moving. Voila! Cool! Let's take it to the workbench and see what we can do to sort it out.
Here are my next door lamb chops.
The plan here is to cut this old worn out piece off of here and then weld this one in place. I just used the original hole on this side, it's worn this way, to find a center for the hole I drilled in this piece. This is also thicker. I think this is about 6 millimeters and this is only about 3 millimeters. I've lined up this whole business by eye. This distance between there and there is not critical because I'm going to be making my own bushes, so I can measure from this. The center line this way, if it's out by a millimeter, as long as it's square to the chassis, I don't think that's a problem. So yes, I think that can work for me. Done and better than new, I think. Well, I got 6mm material here, I got 6mm material here, which is twice of what the original was. So yeah, one more to go. My refurbished hanger bracket is finished, fitted. I've attached it with some M12 high tensile cap screws instead of the rivets. Strong, good. I've got some brand new beautiful yellow polyurethane bushes installed over there. New bolt is installed here. Everything is nice and tight. Gave it a coat of black paint. So we're good to go. How much did it cost me? The price of 2 yellow bushes, 1 bolt here, and 4 cap screws. I spent some time doing the boring stuff. Cleaned it all up with a wire brush, gave it a coat of paint. So yeah, we're getting there. How does a mouse eat an elephant? One tiny bite at a time. So I'm now just waiting for my springs. They've been sent away for refurbishment. When I get them back, we can install them, put the differential in, put this guy back on his wheels and see how she looks in the lowered position. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button or the like button. Catch you next time.